Hi dear crocheters, our today's video tutorial will be on how to crochet this half double crochet. First we will make slip knot, then we will make chains, then yarn over 1, 2, 3. On the third stitch we will do a half double crochet. Insert hook, pull yarn, pull it up, and then we will have 3 loops on the hook. So yarn over and pull through all 3. Again yarn over. In the next stitch, insert hook, yarn over, pull up. We will have 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through all. Insert hook, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through all. Okay, this is how we do a half double crochet. Insert hook, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through all. Insert hook, yarn over, pull up, and pull through all. The last stitch we will do the same. Okay, then we will do chain of 2, 1, 2, turn over, yarn over, insert hook into the stitch, pull up, yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull up. So we will keep doing the same till the end of the row. In the last, we will work on the second chain. Okay, insert hook and pull up, then chain 2, and we will keep working and doing the same. So this is how we do the half double crochet. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like it, please don't forget to give me a thumb up.